Dydy merched ddim yn licio codio, sy'n hollol anghywir. O'n i erioed i codio cyn dod i fewn i'r prifysgol a dwi wedi ffindio allan dwi'n caru fo. Mae o'n darn mawr o degree fi. Dwi wedi dysgu gymaint gan lecturers fi, gan ffrindiau fi. Dwi wedi dysgu i licio ymchwil i fewn iddo fo. O'n i erioed i ymchwilio fewn i pethau mor ddifn a mor gyffrous y blaen. Ond dwi wedi ffindio os mewn topic da chi'n actually edrych ymlaen i ddysgu amdan, da chi'n edrych ymlaen i ymchwilio ac i ddysgu mwy amdano fo. Ac dwi roed i ddysgu rhywbeth mor sydyn o blaen. O'n i yn meddwl oedd hyn i gyd i just ddyn i ddysgu, ond ar ôl dysgu fo fy hun a gweld faint o hawdd dio, mae o'n danos faint o agored di'r topic i bawb, dim ots eich oed, eich rhyw, rhywbeth mae o i bawb a mae o'n chwilio.
So the misconception is that women prefer softer tech roles than working with AI or cybersecurity. And you'll see that this is wrong when you come into Bangor University. There's loads of lecturers who work, and PhD students who work with AI, cybersecurity. Like we have a lecturer, Dr. Cameron Gray. She specialises with working with cybersecurity. And they're all very passionate about their work, which is very inspiring. I've also applied for a DeepMind programme with Queen Mary's University, and hopefully I get it, which is to do research with AI. So you don't need to work with, have a soft tech role really. As a female, you can work with anything really.
The misconception is not being able to fit in. When I first started my course and saw very few females in my class and a lot of male faces, I thought to myself if I would be able to fit in properly or would be treated differently than my male classmates. But I realized that wasn't the case here. The university and our lecturers were very welcoming and supporting to everyone, regardless of any genders or where you come from. So I felt that support from all my lecturers and also my personal tutor who guided me and also checked on me if I was okay with the course and in general. I think that made me feel like learning at such a safe and comfortable environment made me very confident to learn more and also enjoy at the same time and engage with my lecturers and with my classmates.
The misconception is the idea of not making any friends as a girl in computer science. Within like the first few events and the first meeting of everyone in the lectures, everyone in the class, immediately clicked with people. It was so easy to befriend people. Everyone's so open-minded and welcoming and happy. Lecturers were interested in so many topics as well that you could easily like make conversation and talk to others easily. And then in my case, I befriended people so fast, and I'm living with some next year. I hang out with them on the regular and it's been such a great time.